Beech Bend Park is an independent amusement park located in Bowling Green, Kentucky, and I'm going to be reviewing the park in today's video, telling you what I liked about the park, what I didn't like, and whether you should come out to Bowling Green to experience this park. Hi, I'm Jonathan, and welcome to Storming Coasters. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Starting off with some of the attractions that aren't roller coasters, their thrilling attractions include Air Race, which I don't even know what to call it. It's crazy. You basically flip while the ride is spinning. It's wild. Moby Dick is a thrill attraction according to their website. While I personally didn't find it all that thrilling, it was still pretty fun. I don't know what model of ride it is, but you can look it up after this video is over. Sea Dragon is their pirate ship, and it honestly gave some pretty good airtime. The Vortex is a who knows what attraction, but it's basically Delirium at Kings Island, only the seats are facing inwards. Of course, what's a park without a drop tower? Zero G is an amazing Larson drop tower. You can find one at Kentucky Kingdom with Fearfall, and if you want to know a tip for riding these kinds of drop towers, go over to my Kentucky Kingdom review after this video's over. Now for the family rides. The park has an antique car ride named Antique Cars, and a bumper cars ride named Bumper Cars. The Bluegrass Breeze Swing is a swinging attraction. Dizzy Dragon, I don't know what it is exactly, but the description says, jump into the belly of the dragon and spin until there's no tomorrow. They've got some go-karts and a mini golf course. They've got a grand carousel and a haunted house. Hip Hop Drop is your frog hopper. Scat 2 is some weird thing. I don't know how to explain it. Sizzler is a scrambler ride. Starship 4000 is the Gravitron ride. Tea Party, you guessed it. It's a teacup ride. Tilt-A-Whirl. There's no more explaining needed for that ride. Tornado is a spinning ride that spins while spinning. And Whitewater Express is a log flume. Their kids' rides include Crazy Bus, Groovy Bus, Happy Pond, Jumping Jumbos, Kitty Whip, Monster Trucks, Quad Runner, and Super Slide. I'm not going to take the time to explain them. You can go look them up when this video is over. Splash Lagoon is the name of their water park, which is right in the middle of Beech Bend. They've got Lazy River, Lot of Water Island, which is a kids' splash zone. Raging Rapids Water Slides is a slide complex. Giant Leisure Pool is a giant pool. Lily Pad Challenge is a lily pad challenge. I didn't see it on their website, but in 2016 I believe they got some new water slides, each unique to the park. A toilet bowl slide, flying saucer slide, a wave turn slide, and one with mini tornadoes. Beech Bend has 3 roller coasters, which include Spinning Out, a little SBF Visa spinning roller coaster. Wild Mouse is a spinning Wild Mouse, and Kentucky Rumbler is a large wooden roller coaster. You can find some in-depth reviews of Wild Mouse and Kentucky Rumbler coming soon on Storming Coasters. Now let's talk about shows. They have this large theater that has a different show, I believe, every 30 minutes. They have like a comedy show, a magic show, and some other shows that I didn't bother watching because I just went to the marathon Kentucky Rumbler. Let's talk about Beech Bend's theming. There isn't really any, except in the haunted house, but haunted house have to have theming, so the theming is basically forced. It's not very good though. They've got average food and drinks, nothing special. I didn't find any really good park merchandise, but I didn't really need any because showing off that I've been to Beech Bend would not really matter, as it's not a very memorable park. This might actually be a random time in the video, but let's get into the park's past. Actually, it isn't super exciting, so I'd rather not. The park's staff are pretty boring, though there were some good staff, and one of the people who were operating Kentucky Rumbler was saying some strange things, nothing bad though. But at the end of the day, one of these staff told us that there were a few more minutes to ride Kentucky Rumbler, so we got there in just a few seconds, and the queue line was shut down. But there's literally nobody in line for the ride. Nobody. The park wasn't ever very busy. I could literally just walk onto Kentucky Rumbler the moment I got into the station. Some better parks nearby include Dollywood, Kentucky Kingdom, and Hollywood World. Maybe Kings Island is close enough, I don't know. Now for the big question. Would I recommend Beech Bend Park? Maybe if you're in the area, but I wouldn't necessarily go out of your way to go here. Maybe if you're going from Dollywood to Kentucky Kingdom or Kentucky Kingdom to Dollywood, but I wouldn't put it super high up on your bucket list. The park doesn't really have much charm to it, except for a small lake in the center. Anyways, that's going to wrap up today's review. I hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe to Stormy Coasters and like this video if you enjoyed. Comment your thoughts on Beech Bend if you have visited, and enjoy the rest of your day.